Imagine a world where blindness could be reversed. Sounds like science fiction, right? Yet, what once seemed a distant dream is inching closer to reality thanks to the remarkable potential of stem cells. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, the building blocks from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. Under the right conditions, these cells can be induced to become any specific type of cell in the body, which opens up a world of possibilities in regenerative medicine. One of the most exciting prospects of stem cell technology is its application in treating eye conditions that lead to vision loss. Diseases such as age-related macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, and glaucoma damage the eye in ways that traditionally have been considered irreversible. However, stem cells could change this narrative. The process begins with understanding how stem cells can transform into retinal cells. The retina, which is the light-sensitive layer of tissue at the back of the inner eye, plays a crucial role in vision. It converts the light that comes into the eye into neural signals which the brain interprets as visual images. When the retinal cells are damaged due to disease, the result is vision impairment or loss. Researchers are now exploring how stem cells can be used to replace or repair these damaged retinal cells. In labs around the world, scientists have successfully transformed stem cells into retinal cells that function just like those naturally found in the eye. These lab-grown retinal cells offer a beacon of hope. They can potentially be transplanted into a patient's eye, not just stopping further vision loss, but actually restoring sight. The implications of such advancements are profound. Imagine regaining sight after years of darkness, or a child born with an eye condition seeing their mother's face for the first time. This isn't just a dream, it's becoming a scientific pursuit with stem cells at the forefront. Now, how exactly could stem cells help restore sight? Imagine you have a sophisticated camera that suddenly stops working because a crucial part is damaged. Fixing it would typically require you to find an exact replacement part. In the context of human biology, stem cells offer a similar solution for repairing the delicate machinery of the eye, particularly the retina, which is essential for vision. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. Under the right conditions, these versatile cells can be coaxed into becoming any type of cell, including those needed in the retina. The retina, located at the back of the eye, is like the film in our metaphorical camera. It captures the images we see and sends these visual signals to the brain. When parts of the retina are damaged, whether due to disease, injury, or genetic conditions, it can lead to vision impairment or even blindness. Here's where the magic of stem cell technology comes into play. Scientists have developed methods to direct stem cells to grow into retinal cells in the lab. These lab-grown retinal cells can then be transplanted into a patient's eye. Think of it as installing spare parts in a machine, but in this case, it's a biological machine, your eye. The transplantation process involves carefully placing these newly formed retinal cells into the eye where they integrate with the existing retinal tissue. Over time, these cells begin to function as part of the retina, taking over the role of the damaged cells. This can restore or improve the patient's vision, essentially turning the lights back on where there was darkness. This approach is still under rigorous research and development. The complexity of the eye and the precision required for such treatments mean that scientists are proceeding with cautious optimism. They continually refine their methods to ensure safety and efficacy in restoring sight. With ongoing research, the hope to turn back the tide on blindness grows stronger. So, what does the future hold for stem cell therapy in eye care? As we peer into the horizon, the landscape of medical science, specifically stem cell research, presents a promising but challenging pathway towards treating vision loss. Currently, the field is witnessing remarkable strides, with researchers exploring how stem cells can be used to regenerate damaged tissues in the eye, potentially restoring sight to those who have lost it. Imagine a world where conditions like macular degeneration or retinitis pigmentosa are no longer life sentences to blindness, but rather treatable conditions. This isn't just a dream. In labs around the world, stem cells are being coaxed into becoming retinal cells, which are then used to replace those damaged by disease. Success stories, though still early, offer a beacon of hope. Scientists have successfully restored partial vision in individuals suffering from various forms of blindness through careful and innovative applications of stem cell therapies. These successes underscore the vast potential of this approach, but are accompanied by the sobering reminder of the complexity of eye diseases. However, the road ahead is fraught with challenges. One major hurdle is ensuring the safety and efficacy of these treatments over long periods. The eye is incredibly complex, and each condition affecting vision has its own peculiarities, requiring tailored approaches that can adapt to the intricate nature of ocular tissues. Moreover, ethical and regulatory considerations continue to play a critical role. As with any frontier science, balancing innovation with patient safety demands rigorous clinical trials and regulatory frameworks that ensure any new treatment is both safe and beneficial. The importance of continued support for stem cell research cannot be overstated. It is only through persistent exploration and funding that the full potential of stem cells to treat eye diseases can be realized. Public and private investment in this field is crucial, as are partnerships between academic institutions, healthcare providers, and the biotech industry. The journey is long, but the potential to restore sight and transform lives is immense. Could this be the breakthrough we've been waiting for? As we've explored the potential of stem cells in repairing eyesight, we've uncovered a landscape brimming with innovation and promise. Let's recap what makes this research not just exciting, but potentially revolutionary. At the heart of this scientific endeavor is the stem cell's remarkable ability to transform. These cells are not just ordinary cells, they are chameleons of the cellular world. Under the right conditions, they can become retinal cells, the very type of cells needed to repair the eye's damaged tissues. This ability is pivotal because it means that stem cells could be trained to replace or repair the parts of the eye that are crucial for vision. The process involves cultivating stem cells in a lab, then coaxing them into becoming retinal cells. Once these cells are ready, they can be transplanted into a patient's eye, where they integrate with existing eye tissues. This integration is where the magic happens. These new cells can begin to do the work that the damaged or degenerated cells once did, potentially restoring sight. But it's not just about the cells. The ongoing research into this treatment is of immense importance. Every study, every trial adds layers of understanding, bringing scientists closer to making this therapy safe and effective for widespread use. The dedication of researchers around the globe working tirelessly to refine this method underscores the seriousness and the potential impact of this treatment. Ethical considerations, funding for research, and the rigorous process of clinical trials are all part of the journey toward making stem cell therapy a common reality for those suffering from vision loss. Each step forward in this research is a step closer to a world where blindness could become preventable and treatable. For many, the possibility of regaining sight could soon be within reach thanks to stem cells. As we continue to watch this space, the future seems not only bright but visible.